Hi there everybody, this is Peter at We Are Airstream right here in Chandler, Arizona. We are in our delivery area, and I generally don't highlight the delivery area. Today we're going to a little bit. When you buy a coach from us, you're going to get up to a 3-hour orientation with our service staff. They're going to go over all the odds and ends, all the systems, all the accessories that come on your particular trailer. So that way, when you leave, you're going to feel very confident on that first trip that you know what you're doing, if you've been paying attention, if you take down your notes, if you videotape the tech while they're doing it with you, which is all allowable, by the way. What we're going to show you here today, though, is a brand new 2023 Caravel 22-foot coach. This unit here is a little bit smaller than some of the ones that we've been showing you lately. I'd like to get back into our single axle stuff. This one's available right now here in our showroom. Why not show you around? So on the Caravel line, we make them in quite a few different sizes. This is a 22-footer. The Caravel is the first one that comes standard with a power hitch. So with a flip of a switch, the hitch can go up and down, makes it a little bit easier to hitch up to your tow vehicle. Your propane tank's right here in this beautiful aluminum case. You have your solar guards here, which protect the windows, come standard here on the Caravel, as well as the rock guards that will help protect the aluminum from any sort of rocks and anything like that might be coming off your tow vehicle. The Caravel is the first one in all of our model lines that offer a awning package. So the awning that I'm going to highlight again later on in the video, that one comes standard, but we also have an awning package which comes available on all of our Caravels. And this is an extra little awning on the side and then another one in the back. Essentially, it's a presentation kind of thing. It really does look nice when it's out, but there is a use for it as well. It does give you a lot of shade around all the windows. So on a day where you're in that verge of maybe you need to turn your air conditioning on, which comes standard on this unit, by the way, with these awnings out, keeping the sun away from the windows, might allow you to not have to use the air conditioner on those days where you're at that right on the verge of being able to have to use it. So here is the back awning for the awning package. So an awning package will come with this one and the one on the side, and then this just rolls up nice and tight. Down below here too, you have storage in your back bumper. The Caravel is the first one that offers the back bumper with the additional storage here as well. Also allows you to put a bike rack on there as well if you have bikes that you'd like to take with you. Backup camera comes standard on all of our units with the exception of the base camps, even on our Bambi line, but it is nice to kind of highlight this out. And then the cast light borders right here, these are not plastic, these are all metal, real classic kind of look to the Caravel, to the back of it right here. And here's the main awning that comes standard with the coach. It's a manual awning, very, very easy to put up and take down. One of the things that you'll learn at your orientation. Why don't we go on inside and I'll show you some of the features on the inside of the coach. So now we are on the inside of this Caravel 22-foot. The floor plan in this one, quite nice. It's got its own dedicated bathroom. It's not a side-by-side shower on one side and toilet on the other. Very, very roomy bathroom. I reference it in all the videos. I'm tall, 6'2", plenty of room in here. A lot of room in the shower as well. I got my shoes on. I'm barely grazing my head right here. Very comfortable shower. Its own separate vanity sink. Everything you need in a normal bathroom is in this little 22-foot coach. So as we come out, also extremely large closet right here. Got wardrobe hanger right there. A lot of space here. You can kind of see the depth of this. It goes back pretty darn far. So quite a bit of closet space in here. TV on a TV stand that allows you to manipulate it all the way around so you can easily see it from the bedroom as well. Put this right here. Nice big fridge and freezer option right here as well. 3-burner stove, convection microwave. Beautiful thing about the convection microwave, it's dual purpose and multiple purpose, not even dual. It's a food dehydrator, it's an air fryer. It does quite a few more things than just microwave or become an oven if you want. You got your vent hood and fan right here as well. check out all the hardware, all the attentions to detail on this high-end coach right here. You have your cutting boards, and you can use one if you need more counter space, that sort of thing, and then use the sink for the other one if you'd like. It's got a little sprayer here on it as well. Just the attention to detail, all the amazing kind of features on here. Plenty of storage in here. You do have your your radio, your JL audio radio, do Bluetooth on there, and plenty of areas right in here for you to attach your own streaming device to go right into the TV area. Your dining area right here, a lot of space. The table articulates, moves all the way around. The table can also go this way, this way. Extra counter space here. If it's just two of you, one person can work here while the other one's preparing dinner, that sort of thing. And then the table does then go down and create an entire extra bed area. So if you have guests, kids, grandkids, that sort of thing, everyone should be very comfortable at night here. I'm going to show you the bedroom next. Now we're in the bedroom. You do have a privacy curtain that comes all the way across here to give a little privacy into the bedroom. Nice, very large bed here, a lot more storage up above. Your speakers right here, you can really get this this coach thumping if you'd like. Bedside table right here, you have light switch, you have USB ports, and you have an inverted outlet here, so that way if you're somewhere boondocking and you need to plug something in and you just use it off the battery, you're not hooked up to shore power or a generator, you have an outlet right there for that. So that works for CPAP machines very well. Anything, an alarm clock, if you need to plug that. I don't know if anyone uses alarm clocks anymore, but bed very, very large. And then the storage under the bed, just huge amounts of storage. And then you can get to it this way here. And then you have these storage boxes. They're going to come standard with your Caravel here as well. So a lot of times you don't even have to buy extra storage bins. All right, so right before we go out and say goodbye, I want to highlight our QuietStream ducted air conditioning system. In a lot of units, you're going to have a cassette, what we call a cassette right here, where the air distributes out just through one little area. In our QuietStream ducted air conditioning, it comes out in a variety of different vents. All these vents are adjustable. You can open and close them. The nice thing is if you're sleeping here at night, you can close off some of these and concentrate more of the air here, vice versa during the day, that sort of thing. Very, very quiet as well. These cassettes are relatively noisy. The QuietStream, hence quiet, is extremely quiet system. Will you know that it's going? Possibly, but it is a very, very faint hum in there versus the cassette, which with campers have any sort of experience, they know exactly how loud those can be. This is not that at all. So that pretty much does it for the quick tour of this 2023 Caravel 22-foot front bed twin. This coach and a lot like it, bigger, smaller, all that sort of thing, are available right here in our showroom in Chandler, Arizona. You can look up at our inventory at weareairstreamsuperstore.com, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. We'll see you next time.